Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to an episode of Tank Tries. And today, I went to Subway, and I picked up the Ltaliano Hero. So, let's give this bad boy a shot. Got a lot of Italian meats on there. We got a piece of lettuce went fine. We got Italian provolone and some other meats that I can't even really say, but I'm sorry that I keep eating the following things, but let's give this a shot. So cheers. Damn, that's good. Oh, I put what I put on it was lettuce, spinach, green pepper, cucumber, and jalapenos with ranch, mayo, and chipotle sauces. So, but guys, this sandwich is really, really good. I highly recommend you picking one of these up. And let's have a couple more bites. Maybe I can. How's that? That is good, guys. Look, let me just spread that open. See all the different like meats. There's a lot of these meats I don't really even know what they are. It looks like there's some meat with like something in it. Just give me a minute to peel one of these out. I'm not really sure what that would be, but yeah, guys, if I were you, these things are limited time, only limited. So if I were you, I'd pick one of these up and give it a shot and put whatever you want on it. I just like lettuce, spinach, and all this other stuff. So that's just my opinion to put on this sandwich, but it's really, really good. I would highly recommend you to go out and pick yourself up one. Now, if there's any like foods you would like to suggest me to actually try, like different types of chips, pops, beers, liquors, different like like restaurant chains, like main meal type stuff, like their new products and other things like that. So yeah, guys, in the comments, throw me some things would you like me to try, and I'll give them a shot. So, and again, I just gotta say to all my friends and my fans that are watching, stay tuned, y'all, for another Tanks Foods and Drinks, and eventually probably a Tank Talks Movies, and more fun. And I will be going to WeFest again this coming year, so stay tuned for Tanks World WeFest Edition 2017. Now, so long, my friends. Stay cool, rock on, and remember this. Don't take life too seriously. You'll never get out alive. Time for me to sign off and enjoy the rest of my sandwich. Later.